Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with another haul, and here we're starting off first with Shein items, then we're going to move over to some Amazon finds, and then later on we're going to move on to some daily charms. So here I am just so excited to come back with another video for you guys. I absolutely missed filming, so I definitely decided why not start off the week for myself with a nice nail haul for you guys. So here I'm just showing you these really cute charms that I got through Shein. Absolutely amazing, super affordable. Nothing was more than like $2.50 or so, and you get 10 of each charm, which is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy. And let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite item or items in today's nail art haul. I try to make it fun and exciting every time. I try to find really nice things that I think you guys might enjoy or like or might want to, purchase. So I will have everything linked down below. I know a lot of people always ask, but I always have everything linked down below for you guys. And if I do happen to not have something linked down below, please let me know and I'll gladly add the link. But I usually always keep the link down below in the description, so it'll always be all the way down where it says products used in video. So I will have everything linked. If I did miss anything, please let me know, and if you're interested in purchasing it. So everything is very affordable. I absolutely love Shein. I always recommend it because you get 10 charms for either $1 up to $2.50, so max $3 if so. But for the most part, everything is very affordable, very unique, and very beautiful. And the shipping is really fast. I always like to mention that if you do the regular shipping, the free shipping, it takes about 2 weeks, but it always comes a little bit earlier. And if you want the expedited shipping, which I have been getting lately, it comes within a week. So because I just don't like to wait anymore. Like, I'm very anxious to get my things, and I just always look forward to my Shein packages. And also in Shein, they don't only sell nail art things, they sell everything. So just in case you're interested in checking them out, I always recommend them. 10 out of 10. I've never had any issues with them, and I believe by now I've had more than 6 definitely more than 6 orders from them, and everything has always came perfectly fine, intact. I've had no issues whatsoever. So I definitely recommend you guys check them out. And if you're interested in charms, like really beautiful high quality charms, I recommend Daily Charm. They're just so shiny, so sparkly. They're amazing. Honestly, I absolutely love them as well. And I don't know if it's affordable for some people or not, but usually the charms start at 99 cents and they go all the way up to, I don't know honestly what price, but it does bring only 2 charms per set. But I absolutely love them. They have other things as well. They have all types of nail art. They have Swarovski crystals. They have daily charm crystals. They have it all. And I absolutely love that store right now too. Right now my top stores honestly are Amazon, because Amazon has really good finds when it comes to stickers, especially. Like now, if it's not through Amazon, I'm really not gonna buy stickers, just because you pay anywhere from $1 through $5 for just one sheet, and in Amazon I can find 10 all the way through 16 full-size sheets, or just sheets in general, for literally less than $6, anywhere from 6 and below. So I am a really big fanatic of Amazon when it comes to these stickers, nail art stickers, and also sometimes I do end up coming across amazing, really affordable finds. And I love that when you have Amazon Prime, you literally get it within 1 through 3 days max. So I absolutely love that, So I definitely love right now Daily Charm, Amazon, Shein, and there's another store. Oh, AliExpress. I definitely love AliExpress. I have a lot of really nice goodies coming, but obviously AliExpress does take the longest, which I'm absolutely okay with, because at the end of the day, they have really unique things that you really can't find elsewhere. So I absolutely love AliExpress as well. And I'm gonna probably get a subscription really soon on Icy Box, I think it's called. Or I honestly don't remember exactly what the name is, but it's like a subscription that's like $12.99, I believe. And I'm gonna get the Rhinestone one, where you get like different rhinestones, and then I'm gonna get the nail art one. I'm gonna get both those subscriptions, and I'm gonna start making content on that and just making it fun for you guys as well. I'm gonna start incorporating that into my channel. I love hauls, honestly. That's what I love doing. I feel like it's really fun and exciting just seeing, you know, things that people get, new stuff that I've never seen before. And by the way, I did purchase these stickers through Amazon. I don't really have a lot of Easter related nail art, so I definitely wanted to add this and incorporate it to my collection. So you get 10 sheets for, I believe, like $3 and some cents. Absolutely amazing deal. Literally, you get all those stickers for like $3 and I think 40 cents it was. I'm not 100% sure, but I will have it linked down below. Next, we're moving on to this set of 32 butterfly stickers, and they all come in different holographic sheets along with these 2 little rhinestones, and I believe this whole set was like $3 or $4, so I definitely had to get my hands on this and share it with you guys if you were interested. I absolutely love these type of butterflies because you could put it on 2 of the nails and then it looks like they come together. Absolutely love that type of style. So here I'm just going to briefly show you everything. The other pack that I included was the same colors, so I just decided to show you this one pack because the other pack was the same exact thing. They were stuck together, some of them, so just be very careful because this type of material, for whatever reason, is very delicate and it does get ruined easily, so you have to be gentle with this. But here I'm just showing you the colors that it brings, but it's just the same exact stuff. It's just all butterflies, and I just can't wait to do a look with these. I think they're so pretty. And in last haul I also showed other ones like this, but they were different type of butterflies, and definitely the smaller ones as well. So here I'm just briefly showing you what they look like, and I think they're super cute. I absolutely love these. They're so pretty. So next we're moving on to these charms that I purchased through Amazon, and I absolutely am obsessed with charms. Like, I've been obsessed with charms for a while now, so I definitely wanted to incorporate more of these in particular because they did have 2 different types of colors on Shein. They had the gold and the white, but I just wanted more variety in this particular style to apply on the nails, and I loved how this brought a total of 20 charms and 10 different colors, and some of them were glittery. I just thought they were so beautiful. I was so happy to come across these, and these were $6.99. I don't know if that may not be the best price for some people, but in my particular opinion, I thought it was great because I get 20 pieces for just $6.99, and I get them within, I think I got this within the next day that I ordered it. So I was really happy to incorporate this into my collection, and I will have another organizational haul and many more to come. It's just that I ran out of containers and I have to purchase more, and I just haven't done that. So I definitely have to do that because I have a lot of organizing to do, and I definitely want to bring you guys along in my organizational journey because literally I wish I can show you guys the mess that I have in this little work area that I have, but I'm just so ashamed and embarrassed of how disastrous it looks and how messy it is, and I just keep accumulating all these things and I don't even organize them. It's just really overwhelming, and I know I always say that, but it genuinely is. Like, it's very overwhelming for me, and it's just so annoying, like seeing where to store this, where to store that, and I don't really have the space even after getting new furniture. So it's just something that's going to be very challenging, you know, for me to get it all together because I definitely want to get that video out for you guys to see my workspace, you know, where I create content for you all. So lastly, here we have things from Daily Charme, and I absolutely love a Daily Charme. I won't have every single link to the charms because that would just be crazy. I literally ordered, I believe, like, I don't even know how many charms I ordered, but it's just way too many. So I'm just going to leave the link to their website. You guys can check them out under the category of charms. So here I'm just going to briefly show you the charms that I got. And I really love that this set of charms that I purchased this time around. I think they're really pretty, really cute and unique. And I just hope you guys enjoy them as well. Let me know what is your favorite place, or what are your favorite places to shop for nail art currently. I did mention that mine were Shein, Amazon, AliExpress, and Daily Charme at the moment. So I'm really happy just to keep incorporating new stuff and just showing you guys new things, and maybe you guys like them as well. And I do want to start like a Dollar Tree series that I did mention in the past, but I'm the type of person that I order absolutely everything online, even my groceries. Like, I really don't go to any stores. So it's been and it's crazy because I literally have a Dollar Tree by my house, but Like I mentioned, everything I order is online, like everything from clothes to nail art, whatever the case may be, groceries, everything is just brought straight to my door. So I don't really like going to stores, but I do have to make the effort to go to Dollar Tree and pick some things out to make some content for you guys, because I know everyone loves the Dollar Tree things, and I'm actually really excited to go and just see what new things they have. I know they switched their things around, and just storage wise as well, I think would be really fun and entertaining to just show you guys, and just creating a nail look off of everything being just $1 from the Dollar Tree, because you know what, the truth is you don't need to spend a lot of money to have amazing nails on. So and I always want to like incorporate that as well, because you don't have to have the most expensive, you know, things to, you know, have amazing nails. Literally, like Christina Couture, she's one of the first people that I saw here on YouTube in like nail art community, and I saw how she did baking soda nails and how amazing they looked, and she used everything from the Dollar Tree, and that's why I was inspired to create my first video ever here on YouTube. Baking soda nails, $5 baking soda nails, and they turned out stunning. They were like these ombre nails. So yeah, literally, and it only costed me $5 to create, and yeah, you literally don't need to spend a lot to have beautiful nails. But yeah, guys, I hope you're all enjoying this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I appreciate and love each and every one of you guys. You guys are absolutely amazing. None of this would be possible without you guys, so I really appreciate all your love and support always. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It means the absolute world to me. I'm always very grateful and thankful for each and every one of you guys. So thank you to all my lovely supporters. And yeah, guys, I really appreciate you, and I'm always thankful and grateful, and just seeing all the love and support. I'm sorry that I'm not always able to get to every single person, but I do try to get to everybody, and just know that I always look at every comment, and I'm just really, really grateful for all the love and support and everybody who supports me through my social media platforms. So yeah, guys, I hope you're enjoying this nail art haul so far. And by the way, one of the little charms I did drop on the floor, but towards the end I did end up finding it. So just be careful with that, because sometimes they fall, like they jump and stuff. Like, I don't know where, not that they physically jump on their own, but sometimes, you know, they just scatter and they fall on the floor, which happens to me so many times throughout this video and multiple videos. So I just wanted to keep that in mind. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time.